Okay, guys, so as promised, I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to just widen up this part a little bit on this unit, um, just to give it a little bit more of a realistic feel. And this is optional. Again, you don't have to do this. I just, I just want to do it. So I'm going to go in with a rat tail comb, and very, 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 this is a delicate process, okay? Because you don't want to ruin the lace. Once you ruin a lace, as y'all know, the experienced people, there's no fixing that. There is no fixing that. So I'm just going to go in, okay? And where I see I want it to kind of be wider, I'm going to just, make it a little wider. So you see I have this. I'm going to go in little sections and pluck. That's what you're going to do. It's a tedious, daunting process, but the payoff for it is usually, it's worth it. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm really, really hyped and excited. I have more clarity on, just curating a better line for you. Starting off, last year I launched in like the late summer, early fall, and I wanted to just get my business up and running, because I had been saying for so many years, I want to have my own hairline. And, it was just talk. And sometimes we talk our way into never doing something. As much as you would think you could talk your way into doing something, we talk our way into not doing things. These thoughts just stay thoughts. And I was like, no. As a person of color, I think it's very important for us to also stand behind the things that we want to do. Not to get super, on that topic, but, I feel like I need to address that, because so many times, often, we doubt ourselves. We doubt ourselves because of resources. We doubt ourselves because of, what we feel people will actually buy, whether or not people will be consumers. Don't worry about those things. I got out of my head about those things, and I said, if it's truly meant to be successful, it'll be successful, it'll be a thing where, you won't have to, it's not an overextension of anything. It just will be. What's meant to be will be. So with that being said, go for it. Go for whatever you were talking about wanting to do, guys. If y'all have any ideas, put your ideas out there. Talk to people. Make connections. I had a conversation with my sister. Shouts out to K Marissa. Also follow her on her platforms, and also IG at K Marissa. She's fantastic when it comes to fashion and home interior design. But yeah, we were having a conversation basically about, just going for it and not being afraid to, step out there and become a business owner and try things, So often we doubt ourselves, and we figure, oh, well, I'm not going to be able to have a sustainable living doing that. You have to take the risk. You have to jump off the ledge, guys. You really, really do. You'll never know. You'll never know. And that's part of life. You have to go for it. There wouldn't be a Beyonce if she didn't believe and say, you know what, I'm going to go for it. And in turn, like I said, the true people, they'll support you. And you'll go through ups and downs, but that's okay. That's like any other thing in life. You have to be strong enough and, courageous enough to just say whatever. So yeah, be encouraged. In other words, be